Hey guys, my name's Tyler Smith here with MarineMax, Texas MasterCraft, bringing you another piece of new inventory. This is a 2023 Premier 250 Intrigue. These are a great boat for us, top of the line from Premier. This boat is here at MarineMax. We're going to be your one-stop shop for everything you need boating-wise. We've got a great pro shop with all your boards and tubes and everything. We've got an awesome finance department that'll get you set up with your insurance as well. And then we've got our service department, highly regarded and going to be able to give you that peace of mind while you're out there on the water. Let's take a step inside and look at some of the features. All right guys, as we step inside of the boat, you can see up front we have the inserted seat right there. That's gonna block off that front door but make a really nice seating arrangement. You can also take that out and have full access back and forth with the loungers, recessed cup holders, and armrests as well. Really comfortable up there for everybody in the boat. We do have our dual captain seats with the high backs, which are really nice, and as well as a raised helm, which is standard on our Premiers. On our helm, we've got an awesome large Simrad. We've got controls on the steering wheel, wireless charger, and then also a automatically raising cooler as well. Digital throttle and shift makes this boat really easy to control, and that is powering a 400R Mercury, so this boat is going to fly out there on the water. Finally, we do have our dual lounger set up. These seats are going to be able to flip back and forth, make a full lounge, and then also you can sit back, forward, whatever you guys need to do. Again, this is a Premier 250 Intrigue here at MarineMax Texas MasterCraft. My name is Tyler Smith. If you guys give me a call, I can get you squared away.